What's it gonna be, partner?
Hello everybody, just a follow-up video from one I made the other day. This here, I like filming outside because the sunshine really shows the colors off. This is Nutria. It is espresso color. I did a classic Gus, a little pointy on the front with the seam down the center there, just for definition. Espresso color Nutria. Western weight, that's 250 grams in a classic Gus with a couple dimples on the back. Got a good solid brim on it, nice drop in the front, a little bit in the back, and of course it's got the Cayman hat band on it, which is pretty neat. So I got this one, and then also I have one that's on my head. This is the dress weight. The dress weight, for those that know, is real good for making fedoras. So that's what I did. Made a fedora, a little up kick on the back. Down in the front, we got a leather band on it. Classic fedora hat. Give me a shout out if you want one. We'll make it happen. This is a 100% beaver and granite color. Pretty cool. So I do have one more thing to show before I cut the video off here. This just came in the mail to me from UPS. Beaver chinchilla. They skin the beaver, they skin the chinchilla, they put them together. It's 85% beaver, 15% chinchilla. And I tell you, just from holding it right here, it is going to be super smooth, super soft, and quite luxurious. Natural color. Beaver chinchilla. Chincheever. Anyhow, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't yet, please do hit the little bell notification and send me a message if you want a hat. Real hats for real people at real prices. Hello everybody, check this out. My stepson's girlfriend's birthday is on the 3rd, so I made her a hat, and it's sick. This is plum color. It's Nutria. It's a mid-weight. We got the white snake skin around there with the braid to just tie it into the bottom. The top we got sort of a telescope teardrop. Get off of there, fly. It is freaking awesome. On the inside we got red with the calfskin suede leather band. Totally, completely sick. Get away from me, fly. Yeah, awesome. Send me a message if you want one. We'll make it happen.